Hello everyone, this is Aman Kumar Mishra from College of Engineering Roorkee. Here I am submitting my assignment regarding Skyfi Labs. This is a software course which provided by Skyfi Labs. Here is the problem statement. This is a 23-story building, contain different story section and designs. And for each story, the dead load is the same 2 km per meter square, and live load varies from group of story to group of story. From story 1 to 8, the live load is a 5 km per meter square. From story 9 to 14, it is 4.5 km per meter square. From story 15 to 19, it is 4 km per meter square. From story 20 to 23, it is 3.5 km per meter square. And also, beyond column section are three different sections provided here for suitability for our design. And here the auto select property will be used. The column section are 500 into 500, 550 into 550, 600 into 600, and beam sections are 500 into 300, 550 into 350, 600 into 400. The concrete property is a M40 grade concrete. For rebars, it will be HYST 500 rebars and mile 250 rebar. For slab section, the sectional thickness is a 150 mm of M40 grade concrete. There will be auto draw cladding, and cladding load will be 0.2 km per meter. For a wind load, the site should be considered in Bangalore. Accordingly, all the coefficients will be provided in the design. Open ETAP software, go on a file, add new model. Here new model will be open. A dialog box will become. Here do some initial settings. Display unit will be metric SI. Skin database will be Indian standard, Indian. Steel design code, as we all know, it will be IS 800 2007 for Indian. For concrete, it will be IS 456 2000. Click on OK. Then another dialog box will be open. Here you just have to fill in the grid lines as in our problem statement. It will 4. Click fill 4. The spacing is 6 cm for each direction. Fill these values. Number of story in our case is 23. Height by default 3 meter. It should be 3 meter as in our questions. As we are going to use similar story concept, click on a custom story data, edit story data, and provide similar stories. As as in our problem statement, there are 4 groups. Group story 1 to 8, 9 to 14, 15 to 19, and story 20 to 23. Then make one of each story as a master story and follow the rest one in the group. Starting from the story 23, it by default is a master story and followed by till story 20. Now make story 19 as a master story and follow it by other rest of story in the group. Now make 14 as the master story and similar to 14 till story number 9. Now make story 8 as a master story. Make similar till story number 1. Click on OK. Use grid only option. Click on OK. Here you can see the window of the tab software, the 3x3 grids for spacing 6 meter each. Now the other step is defining the material. So go on and define material properties, add new material, region India, material type concrete, standard Indian, M40 grid as is problem statement consisted. Click on OK. M40, rename it as a concrete M40 and click on OK. Then add another new material. Region will be Indian same. Here you just change rebar option, HYST. Click on OK. Click on OK and add another new material, mild 250 grid. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Okay. After defining material, next define the section properties. Again go define section properties, frame sections, go add new material, concrete rectangular, rename it beam, size 500 into 300, material is concrete M40, depth is 500, width is 300, modify Soriba, choose beam, give clear cover 25 for each, use rebars, click on OK, click on again OK, then add copy property, then rename it beam 550 into 350, change the values, click on OK and add copy material, beam 600 to 400 in values, click on OK, then again add new material, rectangular beam column, rename it column 500 into 500. By default it is chosen by columns. Change the bar properties, and click on OK. OK. Add copy of property. Go on draw beam and column. Click draw column. Click on OK. Select column and the column auto select. Go on a similar story from bottom side and provide column. Similarly, press escape and again draw beam, quick draw beam, then auto select beam, similar story, provide beam, then again escape, click on a draw floor, select slab and select each. Here the other floors are drawn. Similarly, we have to draw for each story. Follow the following step. Here I have drawn my building drawing using all sort keys, as in a left side column. Here the quick draw column option, quick draw beam option, quick draw slab option. I go each of the group on a similar story pattern and draw according to the design. And we will go on assigning loads. Loads, first we will start with the dead load, which is same for all the story. That's why go on a story number 1 and change the second similar story to all story. Select all the slabs. Go on a assign loads and go inform load set. Dead load, put the value as 2. Click on apply. Okay. Click on OK. As you can see here, the dead load is applied on each slab. Now for live load, we just move to our single story concept, because the live is vary from cell to cell. Go change the setting, go on a single story, then select all the slabs here. Go on assign, then again go cell, set load, go on a uniform load, change that to live, change value 2 to 5, click on apply. And click on OK. Move to story group second, which is 9 to 14. In a similar pattern, by following all the floors, and just come on the last floor. Then again select the floors, click on assign, and go on cell load, go uniform load, select live, then assign live load on the last group is 3.5 kilometer per meter square. Click on apply. It will take some time. Dead and live load are already assigned over there on the frame. Now we just have to assign the cladding load. For this, we just go to select the exterior beam. After selecting all the exterior walls, go on assign, distribute it, give the value 0.2, existing nodes, click on apply. And click on OK. Similarly, we have to do for all the exterior load in different story loads. Here I am assigning all the dead load on each story. Now go to the base and change this joint property to the fixed. All the joints, go assign joints, restrain, and choose fixed strain. Click on apply and click on OK. Auto gliding, go on a draw, click auto draw gliding, use floor option, click on OK, wait for some time. The auto draw gliding has been drawn on a design. Now we just have to assign the wheel load according to the problem statement. Assigning the wheel load, we just have to first define the load pattern. For that, go on and define load pattern. Now fill the value accordingly. Load name, wind, load type, wind load, cell material is automatic 0. Use IS code 875. Then add new load. Then modify this load. Go on elevation view, select elevation B, click on OK. C, click on OK. Select all C. Assign loads. Wind pressure coefficient is minus 0.25 in leeward side direction. Click on apply, click on OK. Elevation section C, click on OK. Go on elevation 1. Okay. Select all the same. And the wind coefficient is same for all the axes. You can also select another percentage. Select M1. Same load, wind pressure. Put values minus 0.8. Click on apply. Click on OK. Here wind load has been applied in each direction facing on the tall building design. Now we have to analyze. For analyze, go on analyze, then click on the analysis. Wait for some time until first we have to save the model and we did not select previously. Analysis. Here you can see the results of your analysis. When you move your cursor on the 3D dialog box of the tall building, you can see here many different results will show along with your cursor to point to point. For more detail, click on it. One more dialog box will be open and show the results of After analysis, we have to do design check on our building design. जो so just go on a design, click concrete frame design, and then start design check. Click on. Here on dialog box will be open that the section default from 7 to 5 concrete frame. As we select the auto select mode, then just confirm it to select according to load the required section. And after design check, you can see here the longitudinal and latitudinal reinforcement values are given for each element. After design check, you just have to verify all the members. For that, go design concrete beam section and verify all member pass. Here you just see all concrete frame pass for the design check. Click on OK. For report, you can go here in the left side. One window, small window section is open. Click on report. Here you can see project report. Double click on it. This is a project report covering all the details of the design. Report, you can see all the smaller details are here. Now your designing will be completed and also my assignment. Thank you for watching. Thank you, sir.